What's up, friends? This is Obi from Throdle, and I'm here at SEMA in the main concours level. There's a lot of Mustangs here, but this one, whoa, it caught our eyes. You know why? Because this is a 2012, but it's been modded out to have a bunch of 69 and 70 influences on it. The bumpers, check out these bumpers. They Frenched the bumpers, widened them out, and put them on. It's from a 1969 Mustang. Same with the front grille. Now, one of the things I love about this car, because the proportions are a little wild, you take a look, the front end is just a little bit longer. It's got this beautiful hunch to it that you just don't see on the current Mustang. Let's take a look at this. This is the original 302, but it's a limited model. This is number 276 out of 700, and it is just sensational with this blue crackle finish. What more do you want, right? Inside, we got all sorts of great custom stuff made to suit the car, but I tell you what, the most interesting part for me is just over here. Again, incorporating original body pieces into the car. It's seamless, which is amazing to me. This is a 69 bumper that again was Frenched and widened out. Same with the rear end right here. It's just sensational. And look at the lines. You know I'm a big fan of the 911. Well, this makes me think of my favorite car as well. But this has just been done perfectly. You could stare at it for hours. Leave your comments down below. Let us know what you think. We'll see you next time.